Your fever won't go down. What should you say next? Doctor, my fever still isn't going down.
How long has it been like this?
What do you say next? Learn real English for hospital situations. Good morning, Anna. Good morning. How are you feeling today? I feel a little better, but not fully better. That means you are improving. Yes, but I still feel weak. Do you still have a fever? No, the fever is gone. That's good news. Yes, but my body feels tired. Do you have a headache? A little, not very strong. Did you sleep well? Not really. I woke up many times. Did you take your medicine? Yes, I took it in the morning. Are you eating properly? No, I don't feel hungry. That can make you weak. Yes, I think so. Maybe you should go back to the hospital. Yes, I think I need another checkup. I will come with you. Thank you. That helps me a lot. We are here.
Hello again. Welcome back.
Hello.
How can I help you today?
I came here yesterday. I still don't feel well.
I see. Do you want to see the same doctor?
Yes, please.
Okay. Please wait in the waiting area.
Thank you.
Sit here.
Okay.
Try to relax. I feel tired again. Close your eyes for a moment.
Okay.
I am here.
Thank you. Anna Brown? Yes, that's me. Please come with me. How are you feeling today? I feel weak. Do you still have pain? Yes, my body feels sore. Do you have dizziness? Yes, sometimes. Okay, I will write that down.
I will check your temperature again.
Okay,
Your temperature is normal.
that's good.
Now I will check your blood pressure.
All right.
Everything looks fine.
Hello, Anna. Nice to see you again.
Hello, doctor.
How are you feeling today?
Better than yesterday, but still weak.
Are you eating normally?
Not really. I don't feel very hungry.
Are you drinking enough water?
Maybe not.
That could make you feel tired. Do you feel sleepy?
Yes, very sleepy.
Do you feel stressed?
A little.
Okay. I would like to do a blood test.
A blood test?
Yes, it will help us understand your condition better.
Okay.
It is a simple test.
All right.
Hello.
Hello.
Please sit down.
Okay.
I will take a small blood sample.
Will it hurt?
Just a little pinch.
Okay.
All done.
That was quick.
How was the test? It was okay. Did it hurt? Only a little. Now we wait. Yes.
Anna, your results are ready.
Okay.
Everything looks normal.
Really?
Yes, your body just needs more rest.
That is a relief.
Drink plenty of water.
Okay.
Eat healthy food.
I will try.
Sleep well.
Yes, doctor.
Most learners say this wrong. I am having fever. Correct sentence, I have a fever. Repeat, I have a fever.
Hello again.
Hello.
Do you need more medicine?
Yes, the doctor gave me another prescription.
Let me check.
Okay.
Here are your medicines.
Thank you. Wait, before you go, 3 important words you must know. Word 1, weak, meaning no energy. Example, I feel weak today. Word 2, blood test, meaning a test to check your blood. Example, the doctor asked me to take a blood test. Word 3, results, meaning what the test shows. Example, my test results are normal.
Now listen again. Faster.
Doctor, I still feel weak.
How long?
3 days.
Taking medicine?
Yes.
Let's do a blood test.
Save this video and practice daily. Subscribe for more English like this.